This video is about repairing AC unit do-it-yourself. The AC unit is 3.5 ton Linux. The unit has tiny leak losing charge and its cooling ability gradually. The unit would work in a year, then it needs a top up. However, today when I top it up, the preamp lost in a day, so there is a serious leak, this time which needed a repair. First, I need a leak detector to find the leak. I bought a leak detector and a bubbler. I checked the entire system from condenser, all fittings, and evaporator and found the leak is in evaporator. I need a tube cutter to remove the evaporator from the air handling unit in order to repair it downstairs. I need the fittings and oxyacetylene so I can inject a nitrogen for pressure testing. I pressure tested and found two leaks in the side of the coil, which is doable for repair. Take note that if the leak is inside the evaporator, you may need to replace the entire evaporator unit. That is expensive, around $850. After brazing, I put a nitrogen for around 250 psi and submerge it in a bathtub to check that there is no more leak, even a tiny one. Then it is time to reinstall the evaporator unit. I have to do a brace welding to join back the discharge and the suction lines. I need to be very careful, be clean, not to contaminate the system with water or dirt. I have to be very careful not to fry the expansion valve, so I need a wet cloth to protect it from overheat. Then I inject a system with nitrogen to test any leak from the weld joints. I put around 250 psi. Now it's time to evacuate any air and nitrogen gases that were trapped in the system. I need a vacuum pump. This vacuum pump is around 3 CFM. Then I need a preamp gas, port 10A, a weighing scale, a charging manifold. The system charge is around 6 pounds of port 10A. Since my unit has an expansion valve metering device, the method for charging method is by subcooling. The subcooling temperature is around 10 to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. I also need to monitor the current drawn by the compressor for additional safety check for correct charging in the system, so I need this clamp meter. Now the system has been running. I'm satisfied with the repair.